Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be making a one pot pasta meal. It's like a chicken pasta one pot thing I came up with because I just want to do something where it's like no dishes, just something quick, easy, but I want some pasta. Like I don't want to have to drain the pasta, then cook the chicken, then do all of that. Just throw it in one pot and make it easy. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm just picking up some regular groceries. I like almond milk. I don't drink regular cow's milk. I might use it sometimes in recipes, but that's about it. But here I am picking up some sugar because I do plan to do some baking, so stay tuned for that. And then I also came across this that I never seen before, bacon bits. Wow. Okay, so on to the recipe. So the first thing you want to do is season and dice your chicken. I know I didn't show you guys in the footage. I was just like all over the place today, but that's the first thing you want to do. And then you want to heat up your pan with some oil, and I'm using avocado oil. And I actually have an article on why avocado oil is one of the best oils that you should be cooking with. So if anyone is interested in that, I'll have it linked down below in the description box, so be on the lookout for that too. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our chicken and we're gonna just cook this for a few minutes, and you don't have to worry about cooking it all the way through because this is gonna be a one pot recipe, so everything is gonna get a chance to cook all together at the end. So once the chicken looks something like this, now we can add in our garlic and let that saute for a few minutes, like 1 or 2 minutes, not that long. And then we're gonna add in our other ingredients. Now I'm gonna add in the pasta sauce. You can feel free to use any pasta sauce you like, it doesn't really matter. And then after we add that, we're gonna add in some water with it. And I used about 2 cups of water, and depending about how much you're making, you may want to use less or more water. So I would suggest just starting off with 1 cup of water and just see how it is, and then if you need more, add it as you go. Now I'm going to add in some fresh basil and give that a good mix. Now it's time to add in the pasta. You can use any pasta you like, but I would suggest if you do use the long pastas like I am, that you might want to break them in half just so they can get inside the sauce easier. And then here you see I'm adding my other cup of water. So this is going to take some time to cook down. As you can see, that's why I suggested to maybe just break them in half, even though I know you're not supposed to do it, but break them in half, and or just use a different type of pasta. So now I just added in some Parmesan cheese, and I do want to give you another tip that when you are cooking a one pot pasta, you do want to try to continuously stir it because you don't want it to burn. So after about 10 minutes, this is what the pasta is looking like. And now I'm going to add in some spinach. I'm adding about 2 handfuls of spinach. You can feel free to use however much you like. So here's the finished pasta, and now I'm just going to top it off with some Parmesan and a fresh basil leaf, and enjoy this. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the recipe, give this video a like, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, show some love, and I'll see you next time.